Today I'm going to show you the fastest way you can possibly fold your tank tops, which is going to be like so. This is also a great way that you can use to organize your garments. So I know this fold is a little bit tricky, so I'm going to do it a little bit slower for you guys. By the way, if this is your first time watching me, my name is Tor. I do folding and organizing videos here on this channel. So let's get started. So if you've seen the 2-second fold for t-shirts, this is very similar. We're going to start with the tank top facing up like this. And we're going to go ahead and grab the outer tip of the shoulder strap of the tank top here. And we're going to run a line down the entire length of the tank top like so. Now the next thing that I want to do is take your other hand and we're going to pinch the exact middle point of the tank top. It's very important that you find the middle here, otherwise the fold will look very silly. Next we're going to take our first hand and we're going to fold it underneath, running it all the way down to the bottom point, which is going to be along that line as well that we created. Next up, we uncross our hands like this, lift up the tank top like this, give it a little bit of a shake, and we're going to slam it down against the table at the parallel line of the tank top, so exactly at the shoulder strap on the other side there as well. And we lay it down like that. And here you have a nice and folded tank top. Now you can just store it like this if you want to, especially if you have a medium-sized one. This one is XL, so I'm going to show you how to file fold this. Now you can do this file fold with medium and small tank tops as well. Essentially what we're going to do next is we're going to find the middle here and we're just going to lift it up like this. And as you can see now it's a lot smaller, but now it can also stand up like this with a little bit of support. So I have this box that I store my clothes in. So these are my t-shirts. Now granted this is a tank top, but just to prove a point here, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take this and I can just slide it in here with the other garments. And this way when I store this in my drawer, it's very easy to just open up the drawer, and now you can see super easy access to exactly the garment that I want to pull out from the box there. Now I know this fold can be a little bit tricky to get the hang of. If you do practice it slowly a couple of times, you will get some speed. Eventually you can do it super fast, and as you can see, super organized and super fast to do, so definitely worth the time investment to learn this fold. Now just to help you out, I have put together a little cheat sheet for you guys. You can get it over on my website. There is like step-by-step illustrations. Now, I did it on a t-shirt, but the steps are going to be the same, right? I've also tossed in a couple of other cool folding hacks there, a total of 5, including this one. So go get that over on the website. It's on organizing.tv/hacks. Very clever, right? And while I'm recording here, I just wanted to address the fact that I haven't been uploading for what, 3-4 months essentially. And I'm sorry about that. I've had a lot going on, to put it like that, but now I have time to record again. I will say though that I will probably be pivoting the channel a little bit more towards the folding and organizing and packing especially stuff. I don't want to do so much of the cleaning stuff. I'm kind of burned out on that at the moment. Now I may do some in the future, but for now I'm really excited to get into like packing. I have so many packing ideas that I want to share with you guys, as well as a lot of cool folding hacks that I've been thinking of. You know, I have so many months to plan all this in my head, like, oh, this would be cool to make a video about this. But yeah, now I have some time to do it again, so I'm going to start uploading regularly again. It was super cool to make videos again for you guys. Remember to pick up that cheat sheet, organizing.tv/hacks. Go get it there now, and I'll see you over in the next regularly scheduled video. Peace.